7 Passive Income Ideas for 2025. What if I told you that you could start earning money while you sleep starting today? That's right. Imagine setting up income streams that work for you while you relax, travel, or even binge watch your favorite shows. Ready to learn how? Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to Moneymind Educator. In this video, I'll share 7 simple and proven passive income ideas you can set up today. These strategies are perfect for 2025 and beyond, no matter your skill level. Let's start building your financial freedom. Let's embark on your journey to passive income. First up is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. It's simple to start. Just sign up for platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Share links on your social media, blog, or YouTube channel. The best part? You don't need to create products, handle customer service, or worry about shipping. Just recommend things you genuinely love and let the commissions roll in. But remember, like any income stream, there are challenges. It takes time to build an audience and trust. Consistency and authenticity are key. Promote products you believe in to build credibility. Slow and steady wins the race when it comes to building long-term wealth. Next, let's talk about selling digital products. These can include ebooks, templates, printables, or even online courses. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them over and over. For example, a well-designed budget planner on Etsy could generate hundreds of dollars a month. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy make it easy to upload and sell your creations. Whether you're a designer, writer, or teacher, there's a digital product idea for you. Now let's dive into dividend stocks. These are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for owning their stock. Think of it as a thank you for investing in them. For example, if you invest $1,000 in a stock with a 5% annual dividend yield, you'll earn $50 a year without lifting a finger. Over time, as you reinvest those dividends, your earnings compound, creating even more income. Share your expertise and earn passive income. Are you passionate about something? Cooking, photography, coding, or even juggling chainsaws? Whatever your expertise, you can turn it into a passive income stream by creating and selling online courses. People are constantly searching for ways to learn new skills or improve existing ones. By packaging your knowledge into an engaging and informative online course, you can reach a global audience and generate income while you sleep. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your courses. They provide all the tools you need, from course creation software to payment processing, so you can focus on what you do best, sharing your passion and knowledge. Once you've created the content, it can be sold over and over again without requiring your direct involvement. This means you can earn passive income 24/7, even while you're on vacation or working on your next big course idea. Many platforms offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, making course creation a breeze. Plus, there are tons of free resources and tutorials available online to guide you through the process. Enjoying these tips? Hit the like button and share your favorite passive income idea in the comments below. Your engagement helps us bring you more actionable tips. Another fantastic option is print on demand. This involves creating designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. Platforms like Redbubble, Printify, or Teespring handle all the production and shipping. You just earn royalties for every sale. If you have a knack for design or witty slogans, this is a fun way to turn your creativity into cash. Once you've uploaded your designs, they can generate income for years to come. Every time someone purchases your product, you earn a royalty. Choose designs you're passionate about, create in your own unique style, and focus on providing value to your customers. Don't be afraid to get creative with your marketing. Utilize social media, guest blog posts, and even paid advertising to get your products in front of the right audience. Content creation. Content creation is one of the most rewarding passive income streams. Whether it's YouTube, blogging, or social media, your content can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The key is to focus on evergreen content, topics that stay relevant over time. For example, a blog post about budgeting tips can earn ad revenue for years with minimal updates. Turn your property into a powerful income stream with rental income. Rental income isn't just about properties. Sure, owning real estate can generate monthly cash flow, but you can also rent out items you already own. Cameras, tools, or even your car can earn you money on platforms like Turo or Fat Llama. It's a great way to turn unused assets into cash without selling them. Finally, leverage AI to create passive income. Tools like Midjourney, ChatGPT, or Canva can help you design templates, generate content, or even create unique art pieces to sell. AI is booming in 2025, and those who embrace it now are setting themselves up for success. Imagine selling AI-generated designs or writing an ebook in hours instead of weeks. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start building a life of financial freedom and design a life you love. Which passive income idea will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Remember, the key to success is taking action. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start building a life financial freedom and a life you love. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.